Hi guys, make sure you keep watching if you want to see how I went from that to this with Aunt Jackie's In Control Conditioner. I promise by the end of this video that I will be completely transformed. But in the meantime, you're going to go through the struggle with me, okay? So this is about to be a rough journey. You guys see how matted my hair has been. My hair is just from not combing it out. But we're gonna get through it together. Okay. Pray for me. It is a must that we take extra care of our hair in the winter time. So I'm going to use Aunt Jackie's In Control Conditioner as a mask to give my hair all of the love that it needs. This conditioner can be used as a restorative treatment, which I'm using it for, but it can also be used daily. It's enhanced with shea butter, extra virgin olive oil, and keratin to give you the softness, the strength, and the shine that your hair needs. Before using any combs, I'm going in with this conditioner and detangling with my fingers. Next, I'm separating my hair into 4 sections to prepare it for detangling with my brushes. I'm using a wide tooth comb first to take out any of the big kinks. And then I'm going in with a smaller bristle detangler brush. And it smells like a summer morning in Montego Bay or something. Like, it just smells amazing. It smells like a tropical vacation, like a drink. Oh, it smells so good. But yeah, the back section. You guys see that? What a huge difference. I'm letting this sit in my hair and acting as a mask or like a treatment until I finish detangling. So much better after I did that conditioning treatment, and I just washed it off. Is my hair after the treatment with no products. You guys see this? Oh my goodness. My hair is just alive again. I love it so much. Now that my hair has been restored, it's time to style. I'll be styling with the Seal It Up sealing butter and the elongating curling gel. These are my curls the next morning after they've been dried, and I'm not just gonna keep it in a cute wash and go, even though I could. I figured I'd go an extra mile and create a cute half up and half down style using one bobby pin and the Tame My Edges smoothing gel. We've been through treatment, we've been through styling, and I am so happy with the way my hair feels and the way this style came out. And if your hair needs a little love this winter, pick up In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner and give your hair that extra care it needs. Thank you so much for watching.